Oh hey, if you've ever had a wood carving crack, don't panic. I'll show you my favorite way to fix it. While I'm sanding these down, I'll show you what happened. I had carved these pumpkins last year and I pulled them out of the basement and discovered they all had hairline cracks in them. So, I had to do a fix. I grabbed a tub of Gorilla wood filler, which is an indoor-outdoor application. Take a popsicle stick and start cramming it into the crack as hard as you can, smoothing it out as you go. These aren't big cracks, so I'm going to fill the whole crevice up with the filler. Now that you got that done, take a paintbrush, get it wet, and then use that paintbrush to smooth that out, very lightly going over it. That will smooth out all the bumps and the wrinkles in it and get it looking really nice. Then I like to run over it lightly with a piece of paper towel, just to kind of dry it up a little bit. I let those dry overnight. I gave them about 24 hours. And now I'm sanding them with some 220. Just taking down some of the high spots and just making it look pretty natural if I can. Some people like the cracks, and some people will just paint inside the cracks with the same color. And that's a good trick too, that's very cool, but I kind of like to fill them in if I can, if they're easy enough, and these are pretty easy to fill. Now I'll just go over it with some paint, get it looking like it used to. When this paint dries, I'll let them sit overnight, but then I'll put on an exterior like Hellman's because it'll be for an outdoor application. And it definitely recommends that on the Gorilla wood filler. And if you're going to use it outside, you put on an exterior paint to protect it. This is just a acrylic paint, so it definitely needs a top coat. This video helps you save one of your carvings. Let me know in the comments. And if you've got your own crack repair trick, I'd love to hear it. We're all still learning from each other.